Hi everyone, welcome back. Hope you all are fine and doing well. During these COVID times, it's better to avoid the crowded places. So we came to the Scarborough Beach, which is near us. Luckily, it was empty that day. So sharing with you a few moments from the Scarborough Beach. Also sharing with you my evening snack recipe, that is chili fritters and onion fritters. We also call it Chilli&Bajjis and onion Bajjis, which is one of my favorite snacks during these rains. Scarborough is 63 miles from Osset. It's nearly 1.5 hours of journey. Whenever we feel like we're missing our hometown, we want to go to a beach, we often come down here. This is the nearest one for us. As you all can see, the weather is not really great, but still we came down so that the kids will spend some time. They'll feel the mud and water, and they were really enjoying at the beach. We really had very nice time at the beach and the kids enjoyed a lot. Now on a day like this, you definitely feel like having something hot and spicy snack. So after coming back, I made some chili and onion fritters. I'll be sharing the recipe with you now. To make the chili fritters, I took some Mexican chilies and cut them into half since they were too long. I'm giving one more cut in middle so that we can put some stuffing. So for stuffing, I'm using some tamarind pulp, adding some cumin powder to that, also a little salt. If you want, you can add some ajwain instead of cumin powder. Mix it properly and stuff it inside those green chilies. Now to prepare the batter, we'll take some gram flour as per the requirement, adding some crushed cumin seeds, also adding some turmeric powder, salt, ginger garlic paste, little baking soda. If you want, you can add some paprika to that, I'm not using paprika at the moment because Aryan doesn't like it too spicy. Mix it properly and dip these chilies in that, and they're ready for frying now. I love the flavors of this frying chilies, but then we have to wait till they turn golden brown. Now repeating the same procedure with the rest of the chilies. Now with the remaining batter, we will make the onion fritters, that is onion bajjis. I'm also using some chopped potatoes, green chilies and coriander leaves. Adding potatoes is an optional. If you want, you can, or you can use only onions. Now mix all these very well in the batter. Now after mixing, drop them gently into the oil, leave the flame low and wait patiently till it turns into golden brown. Now our chili and onion fritters are ready. We can season them and serve hot. So to season that, I'm taking some chopped onions, curry leaves and adding some chaat masala to it. You can add some coriander leaves if you want to. During monsoon, it's really nice to enjoy these kind of snacks with families. I hope you liked watching today's video. Do give me your suggestions and feedback in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. And if you're watching my channel for the first time and if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel and also click on the notification bell at the bottom so that you'll be notified whenever I upload my new videos. Thank you. See you in another vlog. Bye.